In this short video, I'm going to show you a very simple spine mobility routine that you should do every day to improve your mobility and posture and comfort. I am Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner. With my backgrounds in athletic training, physical therapy, martial arts, and the Feldenkrais method, I have helped many people like you overcome and then move beyond the pain and the limitations. Now it's your turn, and let's dive in. For this exercise, we're going to use a dowel, a hiking pole, or broomstick, and then also a chair, stable chair, not the rolling chair. So you're going to sit in a chair, and you want your feet be on the ground. You don't have to be on your barefoot. I'd like to be barefoot, that's all. And so you're going to place the dowel or the stick in front, and reach and hold the dowel with both hands about the shoulder height, if that works for your shoulders. Okay, and it doesn't matter which hand comes on top. And so from here, and knees are bent about 90 degrees. So eyes look at your hands, and then very slowly you're going to tilt the dowel, okay, the top of the dowel forward directions, like so. Make sure the bottom here, the tip, doesn't slide. All right, going forward. And then keep looking at your hands as you are going to tilt the dowel forward. And then bring it back to the center. And then you're going to tilt the dowel towards you backward directions. And then keeping your elbows straight. So it's not just the elbows bending, but you're keeping your arms straight, which means you have to lean your torso back. Okay? Then as you tilt the dowel backwards, you look down towards the bottom of the pole, and then reverse it. You slowly do this one 10 times. You don't want to rush through this one, okay? And as you do this one, think about, okay, lengthening the spine, entire spine. As you go forward, okay, you feel that work. And then try to distribute that movement evenly throughout the spine. And for most people, it is much easier to arch the back and much easier to arch the neck. But it's not so easy to move through the thoracic spine. So be careful as you're going forward. So you don't want to bring in your head back and hyperextend your neck, or you don't want to excessively arch your back. And it's trying to use the entire spine so that you're not overusing your lower back or the neck. And then going backwards, you're going to round your spine. Round your spine. Breathe out. And breathe in. So you can feel how you feel that spine just to be mobilized in extension and then flexion. And slowly 10 times, make sure that you breathe. You don't hold your breath, and make sure that you don't do fast. So 10 times going forward and back and coordinating the entire spine. Mobilizing the spine in both directions, flexing and extending, but without overextending the neck or the lower back. And once you're done, then you can take a break, and then again set the dowel forward, and this time move forward, and then you're going to go around the circle, right? Clockwise or the counterclockwise. So I'm going to start with a clockwise and draw a big circle, but keeping your arms straight. And that's the key thing. Otherwise, you may be doing this motion with your arms. But that doesn't really mobilize your spine. So move your spine and make a circle, like stirring the pot, big pot, forward. So you can feel how you are mobilizing your spine and your ribs in all different directions, and do it 10 times slowly. Make sure you don't do fast, but move through a range of the comfortable movement. Here And after you've done 10 times, and then reverse the circle, you're going the opposite directions. Same thing, not by bending the elbows, keep your elbows straight, but by mobilizing the spine. Right? So you're moving the spine. So you take your time to go through this, and this really doesn't take more than 3 minutes, right? So you're going forward directions and backward directions 10 times slowly, and then clockwise 10 times and counterclockwise 10 times, mobilizing the spine in all different directions. And this is really, really helpful for posture because oftentimes we have habitual posture and the movement patterns, and then that oftentimes we are pretty much stuck in the same posture and for a long time, and then sitting and standing, right? And then so by going through this motion every day, it may take 3 minutes. You can do multiple times a day, but at least once a day. You go through this one, and then you are really using the spine and moving the spine in a way that you don't normally do, which is going to inform your nervous system about the different ways to move and different possibilities of the movements, which will be integrated into your posture. So then that will change your posture as you are doing it. Otherwise, your brain is stuck with the same habitual patterns all day long and have no opportunity to get out of that patterns, and then you are more likely to be stuck in that same pattern. So it's really, really beneficial to go through this one every day, then reminding your brain, your nervous system, and your body about the different ways and possibilities of the movements. And then that will be used in everyday movement and the posture. All right, now that you've learned a simple spine mobility routine, you can add this one to your daily routine and start practicing every day. Check out these videos, and if you like this video, and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below how helpful you found this video was. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy mindful movement. Bye-bye.